Welcome to the tutorial explaining the new Business Term Suggestions feature of Accurity. This feature allows you to partially automate data lineage discovery in your data catalogue. Data lineages are created by connecting objects in your data catalogue to business terms. In situations where you don't know which business term a data catalogue object should connect to, you can have Accurity's built-in AI suggest to you a list of business terms that are most likely to connect to a data catalogue object. To use business term suggestions, navigate to the detailed view of a data structure or data field that you want to create a lineage for. In the detailed view, locate the Find Candidates button under the Related Business Terms section. Click the button to display a list of top 5 business terms with a suggested connection to the data field or data structure you are editing. Notice that the suggestions are sorted from the highest to the lowest based on a percentage displayed to the left of every suggested business term. This percentage represents the estimated probability of the proposed connection being accurate. If you are not satisfied with the proposed list, click the Find Candidates button again to add 5 more business terms that have ranked below the first list of suggestions on the probability scale. This can be done repeatedly until there are no more business terms that could possibly qualify. To create a lineage based on a business term suggestion, find the suggested term that you want to create a lineage with and click the tick button to the right of the suggestion to accept it and create a lineage. To remove a suggestion from the current list, click the cross button to the right of the suggestion to reject it. The remove suggestion will be shown next time you are looking for business term suggestions for that particular data field or data structure. Thank you for watching the tutorial on how to use the new Business Term Suggestions feature. In case you want to know more about Business Term Suggestions or another feature of Accurity, click the Help button in the top right corner to open the Accurity user guide. Feel free to contact us with any feedback you may have. We wish you smooth and efficient use of Accurity. Goodbye.